First, you need to understand that a lot of things have changed in PT, that is old versus new algorithm. There are total 7 parameters on which essay is marked. First is form, which has there's a lot of people who are not able to write essay in 20 minutes. Reason being they're not able to use the right essay strategy. First thing, you need to write introduction. Let's read it. An increasing trend in today's world is the emergence of the argument that a quick look at the tips for essay writing section 2025. Today's video we will first understand why people score low in essay writing, that is we will understand the marking criteria. We will then understand strategy and how to use template. We will also understand after the recent changes in PT what are the things you really need to avoid so that you get a good score in essay writing. Last but not the least, we will understand tips and tricks to attempt essay writing section. Before I start today's session, guys, like, comment and subscribe our YouTube channel which says PT Universe for PTE latest updated tips and tricks. And make sure you're following us on Instagram and Facebook for latest PT related updates. Guys, a lot of students are scoring low because they are still using the outdated tips and tricks. First, you need to understand that a lot of things have changed in PT, that is old versus new algorithm. In the old algorithm, content was not important. That is, if you were using one word essay templates, you were just writing the essay topic if you were writing the correct grammar and spelling. But that's not the case now. Now in the new algorithm, you need to make sure you're adding relevant content. That is, content is important. Second, grammar and spellings are still important. Guys, according to the new algorithm, you got to write something relevant to the question. Now, we are not looking for perfect content. We are not looking for best content, but we are looking for something relevant to the question. Let's say the essay is regarding language proficiency and you're writing something about computers. You're writing something totally irrelevant. You will get 0 out of 15. Guys, there are a lot of people who are not good with typing. There are a lot of people who are not good with generating ideas in 20 minutes. If you are one of them, this session will definitely help you in getting 15 on 15 in essay writing. Guys, if your typing speed is slow, if you're not good with typing, you can write something around 200 to 220 words and still you can get 15 out of 15. There's no need to write 290 to 300 words. If you're somebody who is not good with grammar, you can use our proven essay structure with which lots of people have got a perfect 90. So let me share my screen and let's understand the marking criteria. Guys, there are total 7 parameters on which essay is marked. First is form, which has got 2 marks, that is the word limit. Then content has got 3 marks. Third, development, structure and coherence, that has got 2 marks. Grammar has got 2 marks, followed by general linguistic range. Last, we have vocabulary and spelling. Now, first thing you need to remember that content is important, but content is not important. It's definitely spelling, vocabulary, grammar, form. Content is important, but content is not everything. There are other parameters as well, like grammar, spelling, which you need to consider while writing the essay. Now guys, what is form? Form is the word limit. You need to make sure you're writing essay within the word limit, that is 200 to 300 words, and it's not required even if you need a higher band score that you end up writing 290 words. You can write something in between 210 to 220 and still get 15 out of 15 in essay. Second is content. Content is how well you address the topic. Earlier in PT, even if you were writing one word essay right topic, you were writing keywords, that was giving you a good score, 15 on 15. But after the recent changes in PT, that's not the case. You need to make sure you're writing relevant key ideas related to the question. You need to write topics, you need to write keywords, you need to write phrases, you need to write sentences. So content is important. Content has got 3 marks. Third is grammar and vocabulary. Now grammar is important, so while writing you need to make sure you're using the correct punctuations, correct capitalizations, simple, compound, complex sentences, and this is what we have done in our essay template. Next is vocabulary. You need to make sure you're using topic related vocabulary. Then we have development, structure and coherence, that is the logical flow of ideas, and this is what we have considered definitely in our essay template. Last but not the least, we have spelling and general linguistic range. Guys, spelling is very important for PT. You need to make sure you're not making mistakes while typing the essay. One spelling mistake will cost you 1 mark and 2 spellings will cost you 2 marks. So spelling is very important. If you're taking PT exam, you need to work hard on your spelling, that is you need to also proofread. And last, if I talk about general linguistic range, that is the sentence variety and clear expression. There's a lot of people who are not able to write essay in 20 minutes. Reason being they're not able to use the right essay strategy. We will understand how to attempt essay. First, you need to understand the essay prompt, whether it's an agree disagree question, advantage disadvantage, problem solution. Read the question, understand the essay prompt. Strategy number two, plan your essay. Lot of time people read the essay, they start typing immediately. Plan your essay, think of the ideas, first generate ideas, then start typing. Step number three, essay consists of four sections like introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and conclusion. Write a strong introduction followed by structure your body paragraphs, then write a strong conclusions. Guys, while writing the essay, you need to make sure you're writing a range of vocabulary and grammar so that you can score high on these parameters. Once you are done writing the essay, you need to check for errors, that is, you need to proofread. And last but not the least, time management is very important. Let's first understand the essay template. This essay template consists of four parts: introduction, body paragraph 1, body paragraph 2, and conclusion. Now you can see in this essay template there are lots of blanks. So blanks are there for essay statement, blanks are there for keywords, and blanks are there for sentences and phrases. According to the new algorithm, content is also important. So you need to make sure you're writing something relevant to the question. Go. Guys, if you are somebody who is not very good with grammar, if you're not able to make sentences, you do not need to worry. This essay template will solve your problem. You just need to make sure you're using it the right way. Now we will understand how to implement the strategy, how to use the essay template. Before that, guys, if you're using some other essay template, you can still implement the same strategy on your essay template. This essay template strategy will work on all the templates provided you are considering all the things which I'm going to explain you now. So guys, this is a question in front of your screen. There will be total 20 minutes, and as soon as the question will come, the timer will begin. First thing, you need to read and understand the essay prompt. Let's read it. Some people think that teachers should be responsible for teaching students and judge what is right or wrong so they can behave well. Others say that teachers should teach students academic subjects. Discuss both views and give your opinion. So this is clearly the discuss both views and opinion based essay. First thing, you need to write the introduction. Now introduction is very simple. You just need to write both the viewpoints and clearly state your opinion. Next is we need to write body paragraph 1 and 2. And this is something which is very important because you will need to write relevant ideas, that is something relevant to the question. So see, read the first point. Some people think that teachers should be responsible for teaching students. Then we have body paragraph 2, where we will present the opposing view. We will explain why others believe teachers should focus solely on academic subject. Lastly, we will have conclusion where we will summarize the views and we will restate our opinion. Guys, this is one strategy which will be applicable to all the questions. A lot of time people ask me, Aditi, do we need to memorize different templates for different essay? Well, that's not required at all. PT is not IELTS. In IELTS writing task 2, you get 40 minutes. Here in PT, you just get 20 minutes. You need to make sure you're very good with typing. And definitely, if you're not somebody who's not good with generating ideas, you can use template, but try to make sure you're adding content as well. That is, if you're writing 210 words, so you need to make sure if you're writing 140 to 150 words of essay template, at least 50 to 60 words you're writing from your own site. Moving ahead, let's now talk about the step number 2, that is planning and generating your ideas. Guys, as soon as you read the essay prompt, try to generate ideas. 2 to 3 ideas for body paragraph 2 and 2 to 3 ideas for body paragraph 3. Now, position 1, that is first viewpoint, can be teachers should be responsible for teaching students life lessons and behavior. So why they should teach? Because teachers play a crucial role in child's development. Teachers can influence students' values, attitudes, because many people consider teachers as their role models. Third one can be teachers can instill qualities. As you know, qualities like respect, discipline, and empathy are very, very important. Now let's talk about body paragraph 2. So opposing view can be teachers should focus solely on academic subjects like science, mathematics. Already teaching academic subjects is a very, very demanding job that can be very hectic for teachers, at the same time for students. So teachers should not be overburdened with additional responsibilities. Also, teachers are not trained to be behavioral experts. Their main job is to teach students the academic subjects. So you need to think of like 2 to 3 ideas. It's not necessary you need to think of main ideas, but you need to think of something relevant to the question. Now, since we have generated the ideas, the next step is to write strong introduction, body paragraph, and conclusion. So let's try to have a look at that. So guys, I have written one answer using the same template to make you understand how you can use this template. So first thing, you need to write introduction. Let's read it. An increasing trend in today's world is the emergence of the argument that. After that, I have written the viewpoint 1. Teachers should be responsible for teaching students to judge what is right and what is wrong so they can behave well. If you want to paraphrase it, you can paraphrase it. If you don't want to paraphrase it, you can write it as it is. This essay will discuss the advantages and disadvantages of the above statements concerned with the notion that. Now, second thing is body paragraph 2. Let's see how to write it. One of the key benefits of teaching students moral values is that idea number 1. Write a simple sentence, guys. Subject, verb, object. Teachers play a crucial role in child's development. This is also evident by the fact that, again, a simple sentence, subject, verb, object. Like, as I explained, teachers are often seen as role models who can influence students' values and attitudes. Another advantage is that, and again, the third sentence, teachers can instill qualities like respect, discipline, and empathy, which are vital for child's personal growth. So we have written 3 ideas in the body paragraph 1. And now we will write the position number 1, viewpoint number 1. Thus, the benefits of teaching students to judge what is right and wrong are vital for both individual and collective success. Now, next step, write body paragraph 2. On the other hand, some people believe that teachers should only teach academic subjects. So I've written the viewpoint number 2. According to this viewpoint, teachers should not be overburdened with additional responsibilities related to moral teaching or behavioral management. Idea number 2. Various studies have shown that, so this is like a connector, you just need to insert the line. Teachers are not trained to be behavioral experts, and their primary duty should be to provide education in subjects like mathematics, science, and literature. As a result, it is clear that the disadvantages must be managed to reduce their harmful effects. So, guys, again, we have written 3 main ideas plus the viewpoint number 2. Last, guys, we are left with conclusion. In the conclusion, you just need to write both the ideas, and that's it. In conclusion, the role of teachers in shaping students' behavior provides both advantages and challenges. Moving forward, it is important to balance the role of teachers to maximize its benefits and minimize its drawbacks. So this is how you can use our essay template on all question types. Guys, after the recent changes in PT, you need to make sure you're avoiding 3 things in the essay writing section. First, you need to make sure you're avoiding one-word essay template. Topic, topic, topic. Now, students are not getting the score. Second, you need to avoid using keyword kind of template. Earlier, a lot of templates were working where if you just added the keyword, you were getting 15 on 15, but now that's not the case. Software is becoming smarter day by day, and AI can recognize that you're using templates. So try to make sure it's not keyword kind of templates. It keyword, sentences, phrases, topic sentence, that kind of template. Third, you need to make sure you're not writing something irrelevant to the question. If you're not writing the best content, that's fine. If you're not writing perfect content, that's fine. But something irrelevant is not acceptable. Last is we're going to quickly revise whatever we learned in today's session, and we'll have a quick look at the tips for essay writing section 2025. First thing, follow the word limit. Don't write above 300. Don't write less than 200. Second, read the topic and know the type of essay. Try to make sure you read essay prompt very carefully. Third, do not use bullet points. Guys, it's a essay structure. So if you're putting bullets, you will not get score. You will get 0 out of 15. Fourth, is as I told you, you need to write different kinds of sentences, that is simple, compound, and complex. Now, if you're somebody who's not good with grammar, use our templates and still it will give you good score in general linguistic range. Guys, next, make sure while writing the essay you're careful with the grammar and spellings. Both are very, very important in the essay writing section. Make sure you're supporting your ideas with relevant examples. Just like I explained you in the essay writing strategies, just write main ideas in body paragraph 2 and body paragraph 1. Is last but not the least, try to make sure you're proofreading the essay. A lot of times people make silly mistakes, that is not writing the full stop, or they forget to leave the space after the comma. All of these contributes to lower score in essay writing section. Guys, 20 minutes is not a huge amount of time to write the essay section, so try to make sure you're very good with the typing speed. Practice typing on daily basis and you will see a huge improvement in the typing. Guys, a lot of people do complain that we are using the same template but we are not getting 90 in essay writing. You need to understand that essay writing contributes just 15 marks to the writing section. Rest of the marks comes from other section like reading and writing, fill in the blanks. Then we have listening, fill in the blanks, summarize spoken text, write from dictation, summarize written text. There are a lot of question type, and that's why listening section is very important for a higher score in writing section. Guys, before I end today's video, make sure you're following us on Instagram and Facebook, where I am updating a lot of new tips and tricks and a lot of material for free. Also guys, if you're struggling in PT Universe is providing one-to-one and online training sessions. We are also providing personalized feedback for different modules. Guys, we at PT Universe believe that first attempt is the last attempt. So if you are struggling in PT, if you're practicing day and night and your scores are not improving, contact us now and see a difference. Aditi here from PT Universe. I'll catch you soon in the next session. In case if you're using some other template, comment down below. I'll check your template and definitely revert back to you. All the best.